Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Milwaukee kit is probably one of the most essential investments for any serious DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson looking for unparalleled power, durability, and versatility in their tools, offering a comprehensive suite of high-performance equipment designed to tackle the toughest jobs with remarkable efficiency and precision, ensuring you have the right tool for every task right at your fingertips. Number 5. KingTool 276-piece tool set kit with 12V cordless drill. Discover our multifunctional toolbox, combining aesthetics and practicality. It features a separate sliding drawer, offering greater capacity for organized storage. This design makes finding your tools quicker and easier. This comprehensive 276-piece set meets all your daily work needs. It easily handles tasks like furniture repairs, appliance installations, and simple renovations. It provides convenience and efficiency for your everyday life. Included is a 2.0 cordless lithium-ion drill, featuring a 3/8 keyless chuck and 2-speed control. Weighing just 1.76 lb, it's incredibly lightweight and your ideal companion for various DIY projects. All tools are crafted from premium materials with a heat-treated chrome finish, ensuring durability and reliability. Their handles are made from TPR material, providing a comfortable and secure grip for long-lasting use. This upgraded 276-piece tool set is perfect for daily home repairs and small projects. It makes a thoughtful and useful gift for Father's Day, Christmas, or any occasion, ideal for fathers and friends alike. What we like. This comprehensive 276-piece set is designed to meet all your daily repair needs. It features an upgraded, durable toolbox with a sliding drawer for superior organization and quick access. If you're a homeowner or DIYer looking for an all-in-one solution with excellent storage, this kit is your perfect match. What people say. Number 4. Milwaukee 2997-22 Hammer Drill Impact Driver Kit. Introducing the ultimate power tool solution. This kit combines two essential tools for all your demanding projects. Experience superior drilling performance with its robust hammer drill. It tackles tough materials with ease and precision. The impact driver delivers incredible torque for fastening tasks. It makes quick work of screws and bolts, saving you time and effort. You'll receive this powerful kit brand new, in its original packaging. It's ready to go right out of the box. Everything you need to get started is included. It ships complete with all relevant accessories, ensuring you're prepared for any job. What we like. This kit provides two essential power tools for serious work, a robust hammer drill and a powerful impact driver. These tools are built for demanding tasks, offering reliability and efficiency on the job site. If you need a reliable duo for drilling into masonry and driving tough fasteners, this brand new set is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted regarding the kit Milwaukee. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 5.0 Battery Starter Kit. This kit includes two 5.0 red lithium extended capacity batteries. They deliver superior runtime and performance for all your tasks. Its advanced construction protects against water damage. It also shields internal electronics from harsh work conditions, ensuring durability. An innovative design minimizes heat buildup. This leads to extended runtime and increased battery longevity. These batteries work seamlessly with all Milwaukee M18 cordless power tools. They are also compatible with all M18 chargers, making them versatile. This 18-volt lithium-ion technology is engineered for maximum power output. It ensures consistent job site performance every time you use it. What we like. This starter kit provides two high-capacity 5.0 red lithium batteries, ensuring extended runtime for your tools. Their advanced construction protects against harsh conditions and minimizes heat buildup for longevity. If you already own M18 tools and need reliable, long-lasting power to keep working without interruption, this is the upgrade you need. What people say. Number 2. Milwaukee M18-18V Cordless Combo Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for various projects. It includes essential power tools, two batteries, a charger, and a convenient tool case. This powerful tool excels at drilling through wood and masonry. You can easily adjust its settings for different tasks, ensuring precise control for every job. Tackle various cutting tasks with this versatile saw, from branches to PVC. Its quick blade change system and lightweight, one-handed design make overhead work effortless. This driver makes fastening large bolts into tough material simple. Its variable speed trigger and built-in LEDs ensure precise and illuminated work, no matter the fastener size. Illuminate your workspace with this robust light, featuring an adjustable, sealed aluminum head. Its stable base allows hands-free operation, providing clear visibility in any condition. The kit includes 2 extended capacity batteries and a charger to keep them ready. They feature an onboard fuel gauge and RedLink intelligence for efficient power management and protection against overheating. What we like. This comprehensive 4-tool combo kit offers incredible versatility for a wide range of projects. It includes a hammer drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw, and a work light, all powered by 2 extended capacity batteries and a charger. If you're tackling diverse tasks from drilling to cutting and need a complete, powerful setup with everything included, this kit is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 18V Cordless 5-Tool Combo Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 18V Cordless 5-Tool Combo Kit. This powerful set provides everything you need for your projects. This product is refurbished, ensuring it looks and performs just like new. It has undergone rigorous testing and certification. The refurbishing process includes comprehensive functionality testing and basic cleaning. Each unit is carefully inspected and repackaged. It ships with all relevant accessories, so you're ready to go right out of the box. This includes 2 batteries, a charger, and a carrying case. While it may arrive in a generic box, rest assured its quality and performance are top-notch. Get ready to tackle any task with confidence. What we like. This 5-tool combo kit offers an even broader range of tools for maximum project flexibility. It's a refurbished product, tested and certified to work like new, providing excellent value. If you're looking for a comprehensive set of M18 tools and want to maximize your budget without compromising on quality, this option is perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.